More work on the van. Pimping it up now. There isn't a breath of wind, so I'm just using my phone for filming rather than getting the camera out and everything. But I'm going to put the bull bars on the front. And I'll put, because I'm on my own, put a couple of straps there, which I'm going to fasten the front of the bull bar to. And that way I can suspend it and then just lean it in, mark it up, measure it, drill it, and then keep pushing it out the way without having to worry about suspending it. So, right, get on with it, show you how I get on. You can see the bars now. So I've just basically put the assembly rudimentally together just to get it into position. And as you can see, what I'll do then is fasten that to there. Same with that side. So they just hang down, and then I just keep pulling them in, marking it, pull them out the way, drill them. That is the theory. Wish me luck, guys. How cool is that? You don't see that flying up your beach every day, do you? Not within spitting distance, anyway. Bracket drilled. I had to re-drill it to make it work. So I've done that. Obviously I'll trim those threads off and put some locking nuts on, but this is just to get it into place, to try it out to make sure it fits. And I had to do the same there. I've yet to drill that one. So that can fit up nicely. One thing I did notice when I took the thing, I had painted these, they're like sort of stabilizers for the bumper, but they were heavily rusted again, so I've put some treatment on them which has turned the rust to black, and then I'll stick a lick of paint on them again, because they're not too bad. Pretty tidy under here, which I'm quite chuffed about. Nice and dry sump and everything. Obviously not dry, it's not got no oil in, but yeah, no leaks or visible oil leaks and everything like that. Same again with that as well, painted that up, and that's all sorted. So yeah, this is a case of just positioning, so the brackets are in place now, and I'll go ahead and fit the bull bars now to this. Okay, all together, just managed to get it all done before it got dark. So sorry, I've got the engine running. I need to just put some charge in it because I've had the radio on all day. But you can see there, look now, the bull bar, how it fits up to it nice. There we go, knocked it off anyway. So there we are, there's the front of it. Really pleased. It's really set it off. It's hard to see because the light's fading now, but I did have to cut some of the you know, the skirting underneath the mudguard. I had to cut a little bit of that away just to get the rest of it fitted in. But I'm very happy with it. It looks nice. It really sets the van off now. And I'm looking at getting a couple of little spotlights on the front to mount on there as well, on the front of the bull bar. But yeah, a job well done. And yeah, she's looking the biz now. My inner redneck is happy. So there we go. That's another job. Bull bars.